Most financial experts agree that for the two big ticket items, your children's college fund and your own retirement, your priority should be retirement first, kids' college second. This may sound counterintuitive, but there are a lot of reasons why it's true. First, you can borrow for college, but you can't borrow for retirement. Second, there are other ways of paying for college: part-time work, scholarships, and loans. But retirement is inflexible. Thirdly, if you don't have financial security, you are risking your children's future financial security if something should happen to you in your golden years. No parent means to burden their child with home health care needs, cancer treatment, or an assisted living facility. But if you haven't saved for these possibilities yourself, your kids are going to be obligated, and probably right when they've just bought a house and are paying the high cost of daycare. I'm not saying don't pay for your child's college education, but the bigger financial burden on your children is to not plan for your own end of life needs, and that should come first. You need to put the oxygen mask on yourself before assisting others.